Are doing Suhu's video with all the home dogs. What's Monica, up? Where are you at? Monica? Alright, well Monica's here too. For our first word problem, red strawberries are taking over the world and they are biting people and making them into big strawberries. So every day one strawberry infects four people in the city. So, how long would it take for Redondo Beach's population of, this many residents to catch the strawberry disease? So how much? Okay, so let's look at the beginning of the problem, ladies and gentlemen. What we're trying to find is, this is the equation we set up, okay? And D is the number of days that have passed, okay? So, you take the given, which is given to you, and that is the given number of citizens. So, there is this many numbers of people in Redondo Beach, and then the day. So look it. So you put on the word problem, it said we have 4, so you just bump it up 1, and then it becomes 5, and that's how we got this 5. And then you put it to the number of days, the exponents. Now we're gonna take this exponent form and put it into log form. Once we put it into log form, we separate the logs and set it equal to D, which is the number of days that have passed. After that, you put it in the calculator, log into the calculator, and you get this beautiful mofo right here. This is our chapter 6 practice test.
So, A equals to how much of the drug left the body, which is the caffeine, which is right there. And 1600 is what the initial growth was, and it grows by 1/2. And then you put it to T over 5, which is 5 is how many hours, and T is the exponent of time. And then, so what you'd end up doing is A is 200. So you do 200 equals 1600 times 1/2 to T over 5, and then you just divide it by 1600. And then 200 over 1600 ends up being 1/8, which equals 1/2 to T over 5. And T over 5 is the same thing as 1/5 T, so you can just put it to 1/5 T. And then you basically just put the fractions into the calculator, so it's 0.125 is equal to 0.87055 to the power of T. And then you have to use logs and put it into log form in order to find T. So you do log 0.87005, and then 0.125 is equal to T, and then you change it into the log form thing, and it's log 0.125 over log 0.87055 equals T, and when you put that into your calculator, it ends up being 15 hours.
Here we have this log problem. The first thing that you want to do is you want to cancel out the log right here, and you have to do it to both sides of the equation. So you're going to cancel out right here log 4. Cancel out 4 right here. The logs both cancel. This 4 becomes the first number, and this 3 becomes the exponent. As you can tell right here, log canceled out. 4 became the main, and 3 became the exponent. Here it's just simple algebra. You you cube the 4, which becomes 64, and then you just do simple algebra, which gives you 22.6. Here we have.
We're all working on this, Mr. Suhu.
It was like Tyga and Big Sean. It was like dropping off Ariana and Kylie.
First, you look at the problem right here. You have to put log 4, cancel out that log, put x equals log 4, 8. Then you have to divide them, so you put log 8, log 4, you put that on your calculator, and it equals 1.5. First, you look at the problem right here. You have to put log 4, cancel out that log, put x equals log 4, 8. Then you have to divide them, so you put log 8, log 4, you put that on your calculator, and it equals 1.5.
Okay, so basically you just cancel all the logs because they're to the same power. So right here we just canceled all of them out, then did simple algebra and solved it and canceled out. Okay, so then basically we just canceled out the x, then cross multiplied, and that's what we got. And then we divided by 4 on both sides, then got x equals 12, and that's how you do number 6. Pretty easy stuff.
Hey, what up, Mr. Zeus? What up, Mr. Zeus? Alright. Okay, so Tiger's 25. Kylie is 17. Not only is this illegal, but are they in the romance code? Let's see. Our equation is D is greater than 1/2 A plus 5. A is Tiger's age because we have to find out what is the youngest age he can date. Half of 25 is 12.5. Plus 5 equals 17.5. No, they are not in the romance cone. It would take another year for them to get in.
Get it.
And then they could do all the things that they want to do.